Children, now we will be learning practice set 4.1 of your textbook. The first sum says triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN. You can see ABC, LMN, both two triangles are there. They are not sharing any common angle. And triangle ABC, AB is given 5.5 and BC is given 6 centimeter and CA is given 4.5. So we can construct triangle ABC. Let us draw the rough diagram. This is BC. AB is 5.5. Let us take A here. AB is 5.5 and BC is 6 centimeter. AC is 4.5. So it is easy to construct ABC triangle. LMN, triangle LMN, nothing is given. Only given is BC upon MN is 5/4. So we can use this information and we can find out the sides of triangle MN, triangle LMN. So we can do, let us start. Triangle ABC given similar to triangle LMN. It is given. So write given. And therefore we can write AB upon LM is equal to BC upon MN equal to AC upon LM. This is corresponding sides of.
Yeah, I clicked photo.
These ratios are equal because corresponding sides of similar triangle. BC upon MN is given 5/4. If I place the value, now AB is 5.5, LM we don't know, is equal to BC is 6 centimeter upon MN we don't know, equal to BC up AC is 4.5 and LN we don't know, but each ratio is equal to BC upon MN. BC upon MN is equal to 5/4. So I can write equal to 5/4. Now I can take this two ratio and find out LN. So I'll take it here. 4.5 upon LN is equal to 5/4. I want to find the value of ln. Therefore, ln I will bring here and 5 I will bring here. See children, I am going to shift ln here and 5 in place of ln. And 4 I will shift here. So 4.5 into 4 upon 5 is equal to ln. Now 5 ones are 5 nines are, but point after one digit. So 0.9 into 4 and which is 4 nines are 36. So point after one digit, 3.6 centimeter is equal to ln. Now mark it children. I am marking it 3.6 ln. Now I will take 5/4 equal to 5.5 upon lm. So lm, 5.5 upon lm is equal to 5/4. Same way 4 we will shift here and lm we will shift in place of 5 and 5 I am going to shift down. See children, 5.5 into 4 is going to go up into 4 upon 5 is coming down and lm is going up in place of 5. See, lm can only go here and 5 can only come here. 4 can go up. Now I can get the value of lm. I can divide 5.5 by 5. 5 ones are, so I get 1.1. So 1.1 into 4 is equal to lm, which is equal to 4 ones are 4 point 4 ones are 4.4 centimeter. So here I have got LM as 4.4 centimeter. Similarly, I can get MN. Now I'll take this ratio, MN and 5/4. So I have got 6/MN. So I'll take 6/MN is equal to 5/4. You know children, MN will shift here, 5 will come down, 4 is going to go here. Like this. You can see MN is going to go this place at 5 place and 5 is going to come down. So we get 6 into 4/5 is equal to MN. 6. 24/5. Now dividing 24 by 5, I'll get 5 4s are 20, 5 8s are 40, 4.8 centimeter MN. So we got all the sides of triangle LMN. So let us draw the rough figure. After getting all the sides of triangle LMN, we have drawn the rough figure, and referring this rough figure, we are going to do the construction. Draw a line with the scale, with the help of the scale, children, and locate the point BC and locate point B. This is B. C 6 centimeter away. C, this is 6 centimeter. Same line I am drawing the construction for the triangle element. This is point M, this is point N, this point, and the distance is 4.8 centimeter. First we will complete this triangle and then we will do this triangle. Now AB is 5.5. Measure 5.5 with the help of compass. It is 5.5, children. Keep the pointer at B. Give an arc. Locate it. Yes, give an arc. Very good. Now, adjust the compass with 4.5 distance. It is adjusted. Yes, keep the pointer at C. Give an arc and join. This is the point located. Point A. AC. Very good. Children, along this you can do the construction, and whenever you wish, you want to pause the video, you pause the video and do the construction. The more you do, the best you become. Each construction should be practiced many a time. Now this we finished. Triangle ABC, 5.5 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. Let us draw triangle LMN. Now LM is 4.4. Adjusted the compass 4.4. Now keep the pointer at M. Give an arc. Yes. Now take LN 3.6. Adjust the compass 3.6. Very good. Keep the pointer at N and give an arc. Yes. Join. This point is labeled as L. Join LM and LN. Wherever you feel like pausing the video, pause the video and do the construction. Yes. Each construction should be at least practiced 3 to 4 times, and these are the 2 required. Triangle. Let us mark LM 4.4 centimeter, 3.6 centimeter, and these are the required triangle. Now we have 4.1 second question. Triangle PQR similar to triangle LTR. Children, when we see similar sign and we see the corresponding angle, angle P is equal to angle L, Q is equal to T, R is equal to R, means there is a common angle. So the construction is different now. Now triangle PQR, PQ is given 4.2, QR is given 5.4, PR is given 4.8. So let us draw a rough figure. This is PQ R, P, Q and R. PQ is 4.2, QR is 5.4 and PR is 4.8 centimeter. Let us see where will be LTR. So this is R, so where will be L? PQ corresponds to LT, PQ corresponds to LT, this side, somewhere here. It can be here or it can be here. And QR corresponds to TR, QR corresponds to TR. So T will be here or here. And PR corresponds to LR. So L can be here or here. So we want to know where will be the L and where will be the T. Let us go for the ratio. PQ upon LT is 3/4. That means triangle LT 4, PQ 3. So triangle LTR is larger than PQR. Triangle LTR is larger than PQR. That means PQR is inside and LTR is outside. So here L, LR, LR, L will come here. Let us take here L. This is LR and this is TR. So we have got triangle LTR, triangle QPR, R is common angle, angle we can say angle P is equal to angle L, angle Q equal to angle T and angle R equal to angle R. So this is the common angle, angle R. Let us do the construction, children. For that we have to draw RP 4.8 centimeter. Take the scale and draw a line. As per the rough figure, mark point R and P 4.8 we have already taken. Now take 5.4, adjust the compass. 5.4, children already adjusted, you can see 5.4. Keep the pointer at R, give an arc. Now take the compass, adjust it. 4.2, keep the pointer at P and give an arc. This point will be your Q point. Join QR and QP with the help of scale. Children, when you are doing the construction, see that you do it many times, at least 3 times one construction, and you can pause the video and you can do the construction. Now this is 5.4 centimeter, QP is 4.2 centimeter. Okay, now we need to draw RT. Since we have a common angle Therefore, we cannot do that construction. The ratio is given. We will be drawing a line X below the line RP, and see the ratio is given 3/4. 4 is larger, so we will divide the line X in 4 equal parts. One, two, three, 4 parts. Triangle PQR has smaller parts, 3. So the point P should be joined to the third part of this line X. Join it. Okay. Now children, you see the rough figure. PQ is corresponding to TR. That means PQ is parallel to TR. Similarly here also LT is having 4 parts. So fourth part, the line on the fourth part should be parallel to the line on the third part. And for that we need to construct. To construct this parallel line, we need to draw corresponding angle equal. So this angle should be equal to this angle. Then only the line on the fourth part will be parallel to line on the third part. So for that we have to keep the compass and give an arc. Keep the compass on the fourth part and give an arc. Now adjust your compass to this length and keep the pointer here and give an arc. Now when you join this point and this point, you will extend line up to line PR. Yes. This has constructed. This line is parallel to this line. So we are successfully locating the point T on line RP. RP, T is in one line. Now you know PQ is in the rough figure parallel to LT. So we need to draw L here by extending the line. So for that, you know corresponding angles are. Children, we will draw corresponding angle equal. So here this angle we have got. If we draw angle at point T equal to this, we will be successfully drawing a parallel line to PQ. Let us do it as we did it here. Give an arc. Yes, keep the pointer here. Please pick it up and give a smaller arc. Yeah. Just rub it and give a smaller arc. Yes. Give this much arc so that it does not correspond to this point. Yeah. Give arc, okay. Yeah. Keep the pointer at T. This I did so that my arc does not correspond to this point. Now adjust your compass to this length. Okay. Keep the pointer here and give the arc. Yes. Now join point T and this corresponding arc. Keep the scale in such a way that it will be giving you the line LT. That will be our required line LT. Yes, carefully draw the line. and this line will be parallel to PQ. Extend RQ. Yes, this is L R. So now we have constructed LT parallel to PQ, and this is our required triangle. 4.1 exercise third sum. Here triangle RST is similar to XYZ. R is corresponding to X, S is corresponding to Y, and T is corresponding to Z. So here there are no common angle, children. Let me write triangle RST similar to triangle XYZ. Reason given. Since there is no common angle in both the triangle, therefore I can write down corresponding sides. RS upon XY equal to ST upon YZ. ST upon YZ equal to RT. This is the way, children, you have to take, upon XZ. Reason is corresponding sides of similar triangle. Now, the triangle RST, RS is given 4.5, angle RST is given 40 degree, and ST is given 5.7. So I can construct the rough figure of triangle RST. R S T, RS is given 4.5, angle RST is given 40 degree, ST is given 5.7 centimeter. So we can construct this triangle by three things which are given. We can construct RST because three things are given, but we cannot construct XYZ. Nothing is given about XYZ, only RS upon XY is given 3 upon 5. So RS upon XY is given equal to 3 upon 5. So I can write this ratio equal to 3 upon 5. Now I will be placing the values of ST is 5.7, RS is 4.5, so 4.5 upon XY equal to ST 5.7, 5.7 upon YZ equal to, okay, RT is not given, upon XZ is not given, which is all equal to 3 upon 5. But one angle is given, 40 degree, angle S. So we know angle R is equal to angle X, angle R is equal to angle X, angle S is equal to angle Y, this angle S is equal to angle Y, which is equal to 40 degree. The reason is corresponding angle of similar triangle. I will be using this and I will be finding the values here of XY and YZ and this angle Y, and then we can construct the angle XYZ. Let us use this ratio and this ratio. Let us take, so I have got 4.5 upon XY equal to 3 upon 5. You know, children, last time I have taught you XY will move in place of 3 and 3 will come down in place of XY, and 5 is going to move in with 4.5. So let us do it. 4.5 into 5. See, 5 is going with 4.5, multiplying. Here it is dividing to 3. So it will go up and it will multiply. Upon 3 will come down, XY will go in place of 3. And this is XY. Now 3 and 4.5 can be divided. I can divide 3 ones are 0, 3 5s are 15. Children, you must know now division. 15 5s are 7.5. 15 5s are 75 and point after one digit which is equal to xy. So we got xy value. Now I will be getting yz. I will be comparing yz and 3 upon 5. So let me draw a line here. 5.7 upon yz is equal to 3 upon 5. Children, yz will move in place of 3 and 3 is going to come down in place of y. 5 will move to with 5.7. So see, 5.7 into 5. I moved 5 with 5.7 upon 3 I am bringing down. See, 3 I am bringing down, and yz where I will take? Yz was down now, so I have taken up, which is equal to yz. Now I can divide 5.7 and 3. 3 ones are, and 3 nines are 27. So 1.9 into 5 is equal to yz. So we are getting 19 5s are 1.9 into 5, 95. 19 5s are 95, and point after one digit, which is equal to yz. So we got yz also. This is yz value and this is xy value, and we know the angle y. Angle y is equal to 40 degree, and we will construct now construction. Children, we have already drawn rough figure for RST, and now this is the rough figure for XYZ. We will take the scale and draw a line. The line should always, the scale should be kept in such a way, your line should always be corresponding to the ruled line on your paper. Yes. Locate the point ST. Point S, and this is point T, 5.7 centimeter. Keep the protector at point S and take 40 degree angle. Count from, go anti-clockwise, 10, 20, 30 and 40 degree. Mark the angle. Draw the line and check whether your angle is 40 degree or not by keeping the protector again back to at point S. Always have this habit so your construction never goes wrong. See, the line is corresponding to 40 degree and mark it as 40 degree. Now take the compass and measure, adjust your compass 4.5. You can see 4.5 adjusted. Now keep the pointer of your compass at S and give an arc. Now join this point and point T. This is your triangle RST. Now we will draw triangle XYZ. Draw a line which corresponds to the ruled line on your paper and locate the point X, Y and Z. Y, Z. Yes, Z. That is 9.5 centimeter. Keep your protector as you did before at point Y and mark the angle 40 degree. Children, pause the video always to do the construction. Children, it is 40 degree. Marked it. Now take the compass. As your rough figure shows, it is 7.5. So adjust the compass 7.5. Yes, very good. Now keep the pointer at Y. Give an arc. Join this point and the point Z and label that point as X. Yes. This is X point. This is 7.5 centimeter. This is 9.5 centimeter, and this is your required triangle which you needed to be constructed. See that you draw the construction 3 to 4 times. Pause the video. If you don't understand, rewind it and then do the construction. Children, now we have 4.1 exercise, last question. In this, let us see. Triangle AMT is similar to AHE. Yes. Here A and A, that means common angle. Two triangles are similar. Triangle AMT similar to triangle AHE. Reason is given. Angle A is equal to angle A. So angle A is equal to angle A. That means these are common angle. So construction, let us go for the parameters which are given. In triangle AMT, AM is given 6.3. AM is given 6.3, and angle TAM means angle A is given for 50 degree. AT is given 5.6. AT is given 5.6, and this is 5.6, and this is your A and T. So where will be AHE? Whether AHE means H should be inside AM or outside AM. Let us see the ratio. AM is having large part, AH is having smaller part. That means AM is bigger triangle, AMT is bigger. AM corresponds to H, AM corresponds to H, AM corresponds to H. So H is not here, H is somewhere here. So we got AH, E will be somewhere here. So this is our required triangle which we have to draw. This is the rough figure, children. Referring this figure, we are going to draw the construction. First we will draw line AM, which is 6.3. This point is to be here. AM is 6.3. So I'll draw line AM. Locate the point A. This is A and this is M, which is 6.3. Now I want to keep the protector at A and take the 50 degree, mark the 50 degree angle as you did before. Go anti-clockwise 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Draw the line with the help of scale. Now we need to locate, we need to construct the triangle AMT. So take the compass and adjust it to 5.6 as AT is given 5.6. Yes, keep the compass at A. If you don't understand, always pause, rewind and see. This angle is 50 degree. This is 5.6. Now join this and point M. This will be your T point. Locate it first. Always press the pencil so that when you are drawing the line, you know which point you are. This is your required triangle AMT. Now I want to locate this point H. So let us go to the ratio AM upon H. The largest part is 7. So let me draw a line X below the line AM. Now, take equal parts on line X as we did before. Divide line in 7 equal parts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As our point H is inside line AM but on line AM, the seventh part of this line X will be joined to M. Now fifth part of AH, see here, line EH is similar to, parallel to TM. Similarly, this line should be parallel to fifth part on the line, and we can locate the point H over here. So draw an angle equal, keep the compass here, give an arc, and on fifth part, yes, adjust your compass to this length. Okay, give an arc. This is to locate point H. Now join this and this point by keeping the scale first. Locate the points so that it becomes easy for you to draw a line when you are using the scale. Always give a pressure on it. Yes. Draw a line, extend it up to AM, and we got the point H. Now you see, EH is parallel to TM. So already we have TM, we need to draw EH, and you know two parallel lines are there, so corresponding angles will be equal. So here this angle is drawn equal to this angle, we will draw an angle at H. Same method we will use. Give an arc, keep the compass at H, and give an arc, adjust the compass to this length of the angle. Yes. Give an arc and join this and this line. Children, you must be noticing when we are drawing the arc, sometimes the pencil is not touching. So see that you keep the pencil on the table and let us draw the line, then I will show you what to do. This is E and this is H. So this is AEH, the required triangle, similar to triangle AMT. As I was telling that when we are drawing the arc, pencil should always, you should make it loose and both levels should be same, touch the table. So then when you are drawing the arc now, you don't have to struggle hard. So it becomes easy for you to draw the arc. So when we draw on construction, many a time my representative was struggling. That is because she has not leveled the pointer and the pencil. Make it a point and make your pencil and the pointer at equal level.